that story of multiple stakeholders on any site, universities, policymakers, financiers, transport agencies, and how you build a common understanding of what you're actually talking about I echo that, in my experience as an architect, working in Sydney, and our users around the world have the same problem. And one of the things that we've been working on a lot is a generative design tool. And what this tool does is it automates a lot of the simple but difficult things like creating trees or creating apartment layouts. So I'm going to start building a little scheme over here. And you can see I just draw a simple line, and what Giraffe does is it creates an automatic apartment layout. And as I stretch and pull this, what Giraffe's doing is the simple task of putting boxes that represent the apartments, so they're the right size and they're the right layouts, and we're breaking out the core, and I'm able to edit those and override the algorithm. So it's not a complex task that Giraffe's doing, but it's an incredibly time-consuming task, and it's difficult for a human brain to do this well because you have to keep track of a lot of minute details. And so I'm very excited about this feature, because what it does is it lowers the cognitive burden that the user has, because they're able to talk and to think. And whilst they're doing that, Giraffe is doing a lot in the background. And that lot, like this pool that I've just made with these little deck chairs, and let me put some trees around this, or let me build a park with some trees. That stuff that Giraffe's doing, that detailed, what we say generative, it's generating geometry, is helping to build clarity. It may be building analytic clarity, as in we now actually can see this floor plan and understand how those apartments will be laid out, the kinds of views they have, the big ones on the exterior corners, the trees over here. It's also, so it's analytic, like the numbers are of higher quality, but also the story that you're able to tell and the communication you're able to have with stakeholders that may not be experts in apartment layouts, or may be struggling to visualize from a 2D plan what you're talking about in terms of the shadows, or even the vibe of the place, the subjective experience of the place you're trying to create. That story becomes much richer and much simpler. And so I think analytics is, the generative functionality is going to serve both of those things again, that sort of mathematical brain and also that artistic brain. And it's, again, we've emphasized ease of use. You click on the lightning bolt, the lightning means fast, and you just draw. It's sort of as simple as that. So there's some parallel parking, which is not turning up too well, but hopefully you can see it. But under the hood, there's extreme power, and we can even open a familiar. Some of you would have used Grasshopper, but some of the actual way that the algorithms are constructed, you can get in there and, if you're keen, really understand them and customize them. But if you don't want to go to that level, generative is still going to massively accelerate your workflows. Like, this is hundreds of geometries on the screen, which you would have had to place manually. Now Giraffe has placed them for you.